Okay, are you ready for this? I literally just learned something amazing. Okay, so I know lots of tricks about opening things quickly. So like I can type slides.new, it's going to open up a new Google Slides document. You can type doc.new and it'll open up a new document. Okay, I could go into my folder here. I have all these tabs, all of these websites in a folder. I can right click, so right click on this folder, and then I can open all 14 at once. Okay, this saves some time, obviously, when you're trying to get things done quickly. But sometimes what I do is I end up closing the wrong tab. Okay, so let's just say, all right, I'm going to close this one right here, which is Bluekit. I'm going to close it. This one right here, which is Class Kick. And this one right here, which is the responses for yes, I got a Valentine. And then all of a sudden, and I'll close my email. Okay. So all of a sudden I'm like, oh no, I needed to have the Class Kick open. Right. So you can, do this, add a new tab, go back in the folder, click on it. Right. You can also, Control T is going to open a new tab. That's shorter. Okay, but it doesn't open the tab I just had open. So watch this. Okay, so I'm going to close everything right here. All of this. Okay, everything. I'm just going to open a new blank tab right here, and I'm going to close this. And then I'm like, oh no, I closed the wrong tab. So instead of just Control T, do Control Shift and then press T. It's going to open up the last tab you closed. Press Control Shift T again. It's going to open the tab you closed right before that one. Control Shift T. Repeat that process, and you are literally going to reopen every single tab that you had open. Remember, the first one I closed was Bluekit. So I'm Control Shift T. And there we are. Literally, I got back to the Bluekit. Okay, so Control Shift T goes back in time and opens the last tab you closed. And don't worry if there was a tab you closed 5 tabs ago, because you can still get back to it by repeatedly pressing Control Shift T. Control Shift T. It's a lifesaver.